Howdy, ladies and gentlemen of the Bikini Bottom. We are back. Hold on, keep your bottoms on your seat. I have the ginger man with me. Say hello.
Hello.
And today, this video is going to be out of the ordinary, all right? So behind this garage door behind me, we have a barn find, all right? This is not your ordinary barn find. There is a four-wheeled go-kart, all right? What I'm trying to tell you, all right, is that door is going to open and we are going to unlock a new world of imagination.
He pretty much said most of it, but yeah, we're here. I've had it stored here. It's sat for about a year and a half. The only thing that we have done is pull it from where it sat. So he has not seen what it looks like or anything like that. I remember what it looks like.
Like he said, let's cut to the chase, all right? This door is going to open up with my magic powers. Alrighty, boys, I'm not going to turn around until I turn around. So whatever that means, I'm going to turn around. All right, so we got, oh, there's a little bit of critters, but it's I say right foot, creep, ooh. All right, sorry, shut up. Hey, I'm going to look under here now. I'm going to pull this off. If I get it off, I'm going to show you. This thing is a beaut, bro. This is literally the best thing we could have ever gotten. Let's get this thing off. This thing is crazy. It's a little rod.
This seat was actually solid wood when I had it a year and a half ago. Not only that, but she's got some independent variable suspension right here. But I'm pretty sure the back is just one welded axle. She's rear wheel drive, so you know what that means. She's even got spots for like seatbelt harnesses and stuff, bro. I'm thinking we make it like go with something wide body. Don't know what car yet. We could go like JDM, American Muscle, or like Japanese. Definitely vote down in the comments. First step. Get this broken POS of a seat out.
Wow.
We're gonna have to clean up. I kid you not, this was a solid piece of wood, like not even last year. Yeah, cut to when this thing's a lot cleaner. We were checking out, inspecting it. Obviously, I said we inspected the frame. So the good thing is, sprocket's still moved, so it's not frozen. A little bit of rust on it, so we're gonna have to clean that, obviously. Gonna have to redo the gas pedals, so it's not, you know, all the way to the floor every time you drive it. Good thing is, the brakes are drum brakes, but I think they're only on one side. So it's like rear wheel drive, but there's a brake only on one side. Either way, we definitely have to check out like the axles, wheel bearings, stuff like that, make sure nothing is bent. With that being said, all those restrictions put to the side, I want to get rid of this freaking blowhole exhaust.
So we're gonna try to get new wheels and tires, so that way we can at least get this thing rolling. The project will speak for itself at this point, all right? So stay tuned for the next couple of videos. You'll find out.
I'm gonna probably start at like 30-degree angle, say, come out here. So basically envelope the wheels on the bottom frame. I'm gonna probably start, actually probably right about where this breaks right here. But I'm gonna come off the main frame, bow it out maybe to right about here, and then it's gonna end up returning back right before the back, and that will give us more kind of security on our left side that we can build off of, make the door jam and stuff like that work. Obviously, the closing door, you gotta have like a latch for the door. Safety is always our number 2 concern. Number 1 would be fun, obviously. Step moving forward is obviously going to be maybe getting some rims for this and new tires so we can make sure she still drives pretty well. Frame and all the paint and stuff like that situated before we, you know, really start adding to it. I think probably the next few videos are going to be us taking it apart. Things are still working, moving, obviously. I'm ready to just tear this thing apart, dude. Make an absolute beast of this little Honda engine behind me. My head is literally right above the engine. Well, I appreciate everybody for listening to my little tangent on my go-kart. I really do. It means everything to me.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.